Oops. Oh yeah, Lawampush. Now we're moving. Ta-da! Here we go. Can we get this out? Yeah, that's pretty easy. I'll take it. That looks nice. A little different. Ooh, too much. A little farther. I'm gonna do it all, one point or another. Good. To the side. That's good. That's just nuts. Come on, work with me here. No, that does not give me the mobility I need. Oop, come on, come. Whee! That was close. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, look, it stands up. Oop. There we go. This is what was such a pain to go in last time. You grab a brass tapper tab. Just a little bit of junk in there. There it is. feeling that something else goes on here to attach this. What was... Oh, I have to take that all apart so this handle can spin around. Go on here, here, into there, onto that, and then onto this. Oh, fart. Do I really need to put that together before I put it in? And I can lift that up, get this in. So where's the screwdriver? Let's get these up out of the way. I need something up around here to where we want here. Then we can adjust these to be here. Chomp. 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 Then when we get to the other end, we can turn the head to the other side, go back the other direction. This size. So if I want to cut that mortise, so there you have it. This is a lot of fun. If you want to see more detail on this, I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How To. On that, I actually talk through it and explain what's happening and why you didn't see this actually get fixed. And we actually go through a lot of why I'm doing what I'm doing. So if you have questions like that, hop over to that channel. They're probably answered there. But if you do have them here, go ahead and throw them in the comments. I do answer as many of the questions as I can get to, and that helps us out. Anytime you comment, like, share, subscribe, all those fancy things actually help us out and get us in front of more people. And I know you hear it from every channel, but it really means a lot. If you want to be part of the group that just puts comment down below, thank you. You guys help us get in front of more people. And if you want to go even farther than that and really help us out, keep the lights on and keep this channel going, all these names over here, those are patrons on Patreon. Because without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We're completely sponsored by you. And without you, we wouldn't be here. You guys, between patrons, membership, and thank you, it means more than I can say, because you're the reason we're here. So thank you for that. A morticer is a lot like a drill, except it's not boring because it cuts square holes or rectangular holes. I knew abu dee abu die, abu dee abu die, abu dee abu die.